Have you ever nursed the ambition of soaring through the skies as an Air Force pilot in the United States? Imagine the adrenaline rush as you take control of an aircraft, the prestige that comes with mastering such a complex skill, and the pride of serving your nation high above the clouds. Becoming an Air Force pilot isn't just about flying. It's about embracing a lifestyle, a commitment, a passion. It's about realizing a dream that so many have, but only a few achieve. Well, today we're going to explore how to turn that dream into a reality. Before we dive into the steps, let's clarify the basic requirements. To become an Air Force pilot in the United States, you need to meet several qualifications. Firstly, age is a factor. You must be between the ages of 18 and 29. Physical fitness is another critical aspect. The Air Force has strict fitness standards, so you need to be in top shape to endure the physical demands of the job. The educational background is equally important. A bachelor's degree is a must-have. This degree can be in any field, but courses in aviation or engineering can give you a head start. Next, you must be a US citizen. This is non-negotiable as it's a matter of national security. Lastly, a clean legal record is crucial. Any serious infractions can disqualify you from becoming an Air Force pilot. These are just the basic prerequisites, but meeting them is your ticket to embark on this exciting journey. Once you've met the basic requirements, your journey begins at the Officer Training School, or OTS for short. Now you might be wondering, what's the purpose of this training? It's not just about physical fitness or academic prowess, though those are certainly important. The OTS is the crucible where you're forged into a leader. Imagine being pushed to your physical limits, then being asked to solve complex problems. Imagine studying late into the night, not just memorizing facts, but understanding complex principles of flight and navigation. But it's not just about the individual. You'll be part of a team, a squadron, and you'll learn that real leadership means lifting others up, even as you push yourself to new heights. You'll face challenges, yes, but you'll never face them alone. The camaraderie you'll find at OTS is second to none. You'll be surrounded by individuals who share your drive, your passion, and your commitment to excellence. You'll compete with them, learn from them, and most importantly, support each other. And when the dust settles, when you've passed the tests and overcome the challenges, you'll be a different person. You'll have grown in ways you never thought possible. You'll have gained not just knowledge, but wisdom, not just strength, but resilience, not just skills, but character. Graduating from OTS is your first major milestone on the road to becoming an Air Force pilot. With Officer Training School under your belt, you're ready for the next big step. Undergraduate pilot training. This is where the rubber meets the runway and your dreams start taking flight. Undergraduate pilot training, or UPT, is an intensive year-long program that combines rigorous flight training, classroom instruction, and simulator exercises. It's a challenging yet thrilling journey that transforms you from a novice into a skilled aviator capable of commanding the skies. The training starts off with basic aircraft handling, where you'll learn the fundamentals of aviation. You'll be in the cockpit, hands on the controls, feeling the power of the aircraft at your fingertips. You'll learn the intricacies of takeoffs and landings, navigation and emergency procedures. This stage is all about getting comfortable in the air and developing a keen understanding of your aircraft. As your skills progress, so too will the complexity of your training. You'll move on to more advanced flight techniques, including aerial combat maneuvers, low-level flying, and night operations. This stage is not for the faint-hearted. It requires precision, quick thinking, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Throughout your training, you'll be guided by seasoned instructors. These are individuals who have been in your shoes, who have soared through the skies and navigated through storms. They'll share their wisdom, critique your performance, and push you to reach new heights. Their role is crucial in shaping you into a competent and confident pilot. But remember, becoming a pilot is not just about mastering the controls. It's about continuous learning, about understanding the ever-evolving technology, about keeping up with the advancements in aviation. It's a journey of constant growth and adaptation. And then, after a year of hard work, sweat, and countless hours in the air, comes the day you've been waiting for, the day you earn your wings. This is not just a badge or an insignia. It's a symbol of your dedication, your courage, and your mastery of the skies. It marks you as an Air Force pilot. Upon completion, you'll receive your wings, marking you as an Air Force pilot. Having earned your wings, you're now ready to live the dream as an Air Force pilot. In this role, you'll take on a variety of missions, each presenting unique challenges and rewards. For some, the call of duty might lead them to the heat of combat, flying state-of-the-art aircraft with precision and skill. The adrenaline rush, the camaraderie among squadron members, and the knowledge that you're on the front lines of our nation's defense is something that few professions can offer. But being an Air Force pilot isn't just about combat missions. You might find yourself involved in humanitarian aid operations, delivering vital supplies to disaster-stricken areas both at home and abroad. This is the moment where your role transcends borders and politics, where you become a beacon of hope for those in dire situations. It's an opportunity to make a real, tangible difference in people's lives, and it's one of the most rewarding aspects of the job. Of course, life as an Air Force pilot involves ongoing training. You'll constantly be pushing the boundaries of your skills, learning to master new technologies and aircraft. This continuous learning is not only vital for your performance, but also opens up avenues for advancement. The Air Force places great emphasis on professional development, offering opportunities to ascend the ranks and take on leadership roles. And then there's the sense of purpose. Few jobs come with the kind of mission and meaning that an Air Force pilot's does. Every day you're serving your country, protecting your fellow citizens, and upholding the values we hold dear. It's a role that requires dedication and sacrifice, but it's also one that instills a deep sense of pride and fulfillment. So while the journey to becoming an Air Force pilot is indeed demanding, it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll be part of a select group of individuals who not only dream of flying, but also have the courage, determination, and skill to make that dream a reality. Yes, the road to becoming an Air Force pilot is challenging, but the rewards are unparalleled. The mental demands of an Air Force pilot in the United States are extremely high. Here are some of the key mental challenges they face. 1. Air Force pilots operate in high-pressure situations, making quick decisions in life or death circumstances. 2. Pilots must process complex information, assess risks, and make rapid decisions in dynamic environments. 3. Pilots require sustained attention and focus over long periods, often in fatiguing or uncomfortable conditions. 4. Air Force pilots must simultaneously manage multiple tasks, such as navigating, communicating, and operating aircraft systems. 5. Pilots must constantly assess and manage risks, balancing mission objectives with safety considerations. 6. Air Force pilots work in teams, requiring effective communication, coordination, and leadership skills. 7. Pilots must adapt to changing situations, weather conditions, and mission requirements. 8. Air Force pilots often experience fatigue due to long flight hours, irregular schedules, and intense mental focus. 9. Pilots may experience stress related to combat operations, deployments, and time away from family and friends. 10. Air Force pilots must commit to ongoing learning and training to maintain and improve their skills. To meet these demands, Air Force pilots undergo rigorous training and selection processes, including initial flight training and evaluation, advanced training in specific aircraft and mission sets, regular proficiency checks and evaluations, physical and mental fitness assessments, leadership and teamwork development programs. The Air Force also provides support services to help pilots manage the mental demands of their role, including mental health resources and counseling, stress management and resilience training, peer support groups, family support services. Overall, the mental demands of being an Air Force pilot are significant, requiring a unique combination of skills, traits, and training.